Hey friends, welcome to Law Chat 101. This is Cancun edition. We are out here for spring break and for a family friend wedding, but I did not want to miss my Law Chat 101 with you all. So here's a quick Law Chat 101. And this is actually going to talk about your top ways of knowing the person that you have contracted, whether they are a contractor or an employee. So basically, like if any of these things are what you are having your contractor do or is doing in its capacity as an employed person in your business, they're most likely misclassified and they are a employee. And first and foremost, all the information that I'm sharing on this video is for informational purposes only, and it is generic in nature. So it does not specifically target your business or anybody else's business. So I would really encourage you to go talk to an employment lawyer or somebody else who could guide you and give you more information about this. Now, number two is that I know that these law chats are super helpful, but you know how you can be helpful to me and to your friends and to your colleagues and other people in your industry is by sharing this episode and other episodes of Law Chat with them. So share this link with them, share this episode with them, and then also share it on your social media and tag GBP Law or Law Chat with Girija. I would love to connect with you, and I'd love to also hear more from you. So, number one, you want to check with your state laws on whether or not you can even have an independent contractor in your business and what is the definition of an independent contractor. So a lot of times something like California, they have a very narrow definition of independent contractor. And so generally they are employees for the most part. But then in other states that may not be true. So essentially, if your person that you've hired is doing any of the following, they're more likely than not an employee. So here's some quick identifiers as to whether your employed person is an employee or an independent contractor. So number one, if you have given them some type of assets of your business, so for example, they're using your computer or they're using your office or they're using other type of assets in your business that they need to do their business or the work that they're doing, more likely than not, they're an employee. Number two, you have actually told them the hours that they need to be working for you, and you expect them to be working during those hours very diligently, and you expect them to be available during those hours for you. So basically, they are not creating their own schedules. They are not creating their own times to do the work for you, but they are just working the hours that you have asked them to work, and they're completely available for you. Number three identifier is also that they're only working for you. They're not working for anybody else. So contractors generally are able to work for more than one person because they provide the services for more than one company or for more than one person. And they're not exclusively working for you. Now, there's definitely exceptions to this rule. However, more likely than not, if they're only working for you and they're working certain hours during the day for you, they are an employee and not a contractor. And number four, if they are working towards your core business, like your business is basically what they are doing, more likely than not, they're an employee. And number five is that if you are giving them some type of training or you are also giving them some type of feedback where you expect their performance to get better on a regular basis, this feedback is going out to them, then more likely than not, they are a employee and not a independent contractor. Now, there's always exceptions to all of these rules, and some of those exceptions could be that, yeah, you have a team of contractors and not everybody is doing the core of your business, but they are doing substantially a lot for your business, and you do expect to have those conversations with them, giving them performance reviews or, hey, how to do things better. And that's okay, but you know, everything is in balance with one another, and so just in case, not one rule will identify them as this or that, but you need to look at the bigger picture and see what they are doing, because more likely than not, they are an employee and not an independent contractor. Okay, thanks for tuning in today. And if you have more questions, leave a comment, send a DM to Instagram. And again, share the love, share it with your friends, share it with other people around you, because this is how this channel is going to get more attention and get spread around also, and then people will also gain more knowledge. Thank you so much.